Good morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
देखिए अभी म्यूट चालू है ना, अभी म्यूट चालू है ना इसका, अभी म्यूट बंद हो जाएगा अपने चिन्ह लग जाएगा जिस पे लगा है ना, नहीं खुल रहा है ना, बंद हो जा रहा है
Please come on time.
Sir, 6.
बोलो
कहा नहीं जा रहा, लापरवाही
Welcome to my conversation class. Are you ready? Students,
Sir, your voice is
come and join the class.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning,
How are
sir.
you, children?
Sir, your voice is slowly.
Are you getting my voice? Students, are you getting my voice?
Slowly, slowly.
Your voice is coming slowly,
Sir.
Is it clear?
Your voice
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Is my voice clear?
Morning, sir.
Students, listen to me carefully.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
About my voice. Is it clear?
पानी दो मेरा
Students,
slowly.
इसको क्यों लाई हो, तोड़ के कहां से तोड़ के लाई अपने में से, क्यों तोड़ के लाई?
question.
म्यूट कर दीजिए
Today, okay, I'm going to
वीडियो नहीं दिख रही है
you all.
म्यूट कर दिया
Okay, beta, okay. Okay.
म्यूट हो गया सर प्लीज सबको म्यूट कर दीजिए
is, and, are. See, mute yourself.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
We will start with am, am, I, we are making a few questions. Here, we will use is, and are. Pay attention, children. Come to the point. I, let, use question mark. This is your question. We are making questions with is, are. Previously, I have given you pattern or structure. Am I, is he, is she, is it, are you, are we, and are they. On the basis of those patterns, today we will try to make a few questions. Try to understand, my children, pay attention. This is your first question. Am I late? Is it okay? Someone asked this question, am I late? To you. Someone asked, am I late? We have to focus on questions. How to make? How to use is, am, are? Pay attention, little learners. Number 2. Now, this time we are going to use is he pattern. Just make a question. Is he? Is he your friend? Question mark. Is he your friend? Pay attention, little learners. Is he your friend? I will come to you. I will just try to make at least one sentence by using those patterns which have been taught by me previously. Come to the next one. Is she? Just try to make a one sentence by using this pattern. Is she? Is she at home? I'm just making one question. For you, it has been done for you. Okay. Is she at home? Is she at home? Children, just pay attention and try to follow how to make short questions by using is, are. They play important role in common conversation. Number 4, is it cold today? Is it cold today? Here I have used is it. Is it question mark? Is it cold today? Now, number 5. Now I'm going to use are you. Look at the board. Are you what? Okay, good. Tired. Are you tired? Here I have used are you question. Are you? Here we are using are you, but are you structure? Are you tired? Children, little learners, are you tired? Okay. Number 6. Are we? Here we are using are we. Are we? Pay attention. Teachers. Come back to the point. Are we teachers? Pay attention. Don't shake your body. Are we teachers? Next is number 7. Here we are going to use are they. Just make at least one question. Are they? Just think about it. Are they? Your parents? Are they your parents? I have just yours. Am I? Is he? Is she? Is it? Are you? Are we? And are they? Structures are patterns. On the basis of patterns or structure, I have just made questions. Look over here. Am I late? Little learners, am I late? Question. Am I clear? I'm using am I pattern. Am I clear? Am I cold? Here. Okay. Am I late? Am I late? Am I clear? Am I clear? Am I happy? Am I well? Here we are making questions, short questions by using the given patterns. Little learners, pay attention. Just try to follow all the questions first, and thereafter we will learn how to answer. Okay? Is it okay? First one. I want to review it again. Am I late? Okay, okay. Is it clear to you? Am I happy? Am I clear? Am I regular? Am I new? Am I old? Am I cold? See, here we are making a few questions by using am I pattern. We are getting questions, some questions easily. Rest of you will do. Focus on number 2. Is he your friend? Is he well? Is he there? Is he okay? Is he your dad? Is he your book? You can make short questions by using is, am, and or. They are very common in conversation. Okay, children? Next is she at home? Is she home? Is she there? Is she well? Is she fine? Is she your mom? We are making questions easily. Try to understand. Number 4, is it cold today? Is it new? Is it old? Is it hot? Is it dark now? Is it your pencil? How easily we are making a short questions. Just try to follow. Is it happy? Is it your pet? Make short questions easily. Now, next one is, come to number 5. Are you tired? Are you happy? Are you a student? Are you thirsty? Are you at home? Are you there? Are you late? Are you regular? Are you new in the class? Are you cold? Easily, comfortably, we are making short questions. Okay? Our next point will be, are we well? Are we fine? Are we students? Are we teachers? Are we nurses? Are we players? Are we children? Okay? Little learners, try to focus on all and just try to make short questions. They will help you to make questions easily. Move on. Next point, that will be number 7. Are they Your parents? Are they your friends? Are they your family members? Are they school children? Are they your books? Are they your pens? Are they your shoes? Are they your socks? Are they your shirts? We are getting short answers very easily. Okay? Now, I will ask children, now try to make your own question. Are you ready now? Try to make your own questions. You'll have to use is, are. This will be your own question. Okay? Look at the board, look here, and try to follow. It's all. Sit properly. Turn on your videos. Today we are learning how to make short questions by using is, are. They play very important role in daily common conversation. So we are still learning short questions. Okay. Turn on your videos. Shivans Tiwari, Atish. Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, all. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, children. Good morning, little learners. Okay. Okay. Come to the point. Okay. Look here. I, Arvind.
Well,
I,
am
well.
I well?
Okay. Just try to make better. I, Arvind.
Am I tired?
Am I, hello?
Hungry?
Yeah. Am I hungry? Am I happy? Am
Happy?
I clear? Am I regular?
Regular.
Are you getting? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any problem, Arvind?
No, sir.
You will be able to make a short questions easily by using is, are. Is there any problem for you? No?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, number 4. Look at number 4. Is it? Just make a few questions. Is it better? Look at number 4.
Hot today.
Is it hot today? Very good. Is it hot today? Yes.
It is happy.
Is it happy? Okay. 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 Just think and answer. Students, little learners, turn on your videos. During class, don't chat with anyone. Pay attention, sit properly. Look, listen, and try to follow. Okay. Mute yourself, Arvind. Okay. I'm going now. Okay. Hello? Yuvraj? Hello? Yuvraj? Are you getting my voice? Yuvraj? Don't come or go. Okay? Sit silently. Yuvraj, are you getting my voice? Yuvraj? Hello? Yuvraj, where are you? Yuvraj? Okay, Beta, I will come to you. Let me attend another one. Yuvraj, are you getting my voice? Yuvraj? Okay. Jayashree? Jayashree? Jayashree Singh? Jayashree Singh? Morning. Sit down. Jayashree Singh? Turn on your videos. Jayashree Singh, are you getting my voice? Jayashree? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Adamya, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay,
How are you, sir?
I'm good. Thank you. Follow these patterns.
I late.
Two.
Two sentences.
Yeah, two sentences. Two questions. At least two questions you try to make by using Isama. Okay? Yeah. Look at number one. Am I?
I'm late.
Okay. Number two.
I am going.
I am going.
Am I going?
Am I going?
Am I regular?
Am I regular? Am I going? Don't you? Okay? At this moment, am I going? Present continuous. You are using a tense mode here. Okay.
That I'm going to school.
Simple. Just try to make a sentence. Okay. Now here number two.
Is he
Is he your friend? I have given.
Is he your dad?
Is he your dad?
Is he your brother?
Is he your brother?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now number 3. Look at number 3.
Is she at home?
Is she at home?
Is she at school?
Is she at school?
Is she at hospital?
Is she at hospital? Okay. Number 4.
Is it cold today?
Is it cold today? Yes. Next is.
Is it hot today?
Is it hot today? Okay.
It is cold inside the room.
Is it cold inside the room? Is it cold in your room? Okay. Now, next one, number 5.
Tired.
Students, sit properly. Are you tired? Yes. Okay.
Are you fine?
Okay.
Are you thirsty? Are you well?
Okay, child. Now,
Are we teachers?
number 6.
Are we students?
Okay.
We doctors.
Are we doctors? Okay. Are we nurses?
These are they teachers.
Okay.
Your parents,
Okay.
brother and sister. Are they your uncle and aunt?
Over.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mute yourself.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here. Ananya Tiwari. Ananya. Hello. Ananya Tiwari. Ananya. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ananya, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. Ananya,
Good morning, sir.
good morning. Good morning. Look at number 1. Hello, Ananya. Just
Sir?
start make at least 3 questions.
Yes.
I. Just start.
Am I going? Am I late? Am I going? Am I
What happened? Am I? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What happened, Bida? Am I late? Going, coming, don't choose right now. We will learn later on. Going, coming, sitting, jumping, watching, swimming, playing.
Am
They are-
I
There are
eating?
different patterns. Okay?
Sir,
Use
am
here,
I eating?
What?
Sir, am I eating?
Again, you are using? Am I eating?